All right, my son and I, we've been working on the greenhouse and we've got all the trusses done. We've got the doorway built. I'll kind of show you what we did here. So I used some joist hangers, okay, to hold it all down. And then I put this board at 35 1/4 from the floor. So that'll act as our shelf. So we're gonna have about a 16-inch shelf there. Let's double check. Yeah, probably 16-inch shelf on each side. I don't know, maybe 12, maybe just 12. So we'll do a 12-inch like C-shaped bench in here, and then maybe a foot down from here I'll do another shelf like half the width, like 8-inch or 6-inch, to hold tools and pots, and then I've got some hooks that we can screw into there to hang down, because I want to get the tomatoes growing in here. It's 6 by 8. It's actually a lot bigger than I thought it was going to be. I was actually going to go 8 by 12 to begin with, but that would have been maybe if we do, Caleb, but build the next one, after we sell our house, we'll build an 8 by 12 greenhouse. So there it is. So what we got left to do is we got to strap it all out to make all the surfaces even to put the poly on. I'm gonna take the planer and knock down these sharp corners on the ends here and up there, and I'll probably get a couple of chunks of gutter maybe, and even put a gutter and a downspout into a barrel so we have water nearby. Wouldn't that be neat, Caleb? So what we'll do is we'll run poly up the sides, and then I'll run poly along the top. I don't know, I'll probably just poly the whole thing, like just go up the side, across the top. And it's actually quite light. I think 2 guys could carry this thing around. And then to anchor it to the outside, I'm gonna just bore probably 4 holes. 4, maybe 1 over there, but 2 down each side, and then I'll find some rebar and just put a bend in the rebar and pound it down into the ground a couple of feet. I thought I would show you the pistons one more time. So here they are. So they've got this piston. I'm not sure, I can't remember what type of fluid's in it, but it's got that piston, some screws, and a mounting bracket. And what it does is you screw it in and out. You know, so if you want your greenhouse to open at 25 degrees Celsius and close at 10 degrees Celsius, you just got to sit there and, you know, on that day when it's that hot, you sit there and adjust it. So they're pretty neat. I got them off Amazon. Quickly show you the instructions. Okay, we're done for the day. We've got most of the framing done. We've got the door done. It's a 2 by 2 door. I put the hardware on for now. We'll have to pop this off really quick when we put the plastic on. There's the door. And then I didn't get to the window back here, like the automatic vent. Maybe one I don't know quite yet, but maybe right here. Or I'll put it down low. Down here. So it kind of gets it venting, but I don't know. I'll get a look at where the best spot to put those is, research it a bit. There it is. 2x2 door frame. So I think the next video will be a bit of strapping to get all those surfaces even. Basically just the four corners and up the two sides of the truss. I'll round these corners off really good so they don't cut the poly off. Cut the lath and poly it and we'll be done. If there's enough plywood, well actually yeah, there's a whole sheet there. I might just build the whole thing, just get it done in here. My brother-in-laws are coming over next weekend so they can help me muscle it out to the backyard. So. Did you have fun, Caleb? Mm-hmm. Did you learn anything?
Yeah.
Alright, thanks for your help. We'll see you in the next video.